Alright guys, let's talk about CEC coin, because today we're seeing a very strong move in the market. At the time of recording, CEC is trading around $420 and it's up roughly 10% on the day. Now this is not just a small fluctuation, this is a significant pump, especially for a well-established coin like CEC. Moves like this usually don't happen randomly, and when they do, it means something bigger could be developing. First, let's understand why this 10% move matters so much. Unlike meme coins, CEC is not driven purely by hype. It's a privacy-focused cryptocurrency with real technology behind it. That means when the price moves like this, it's often influenced by a mix of market sentiment, demand, and sometimes fundamental developments. Now looking at today's price action, CEC pushing toward the $420 level is a big deal from a psychological standpoint. Round numbers always act as key levels in trading. Traders place buy and sell orders around these zones, so when price approaches or breaks them, it can trigger stronger reactions in the market. What makes this 10% pump even more interesting is the timing. Over the past period, CEC has been relatively quiet compared to other high-volatility assets. It wasn't making huge headlines or extreme moves. And that kind of quiet phase often comes before a sudden breakout. So what we might be seeing today is the beginning of renewed interest and momentum. Now let's break down what could be driving this move. One of the biggest factors is overall market sentiment. When the broader crypto market starts showing strength, capital often rotates into different sectors. Sometimes it flows into meme coins, and other times it moves into more established altcoins like CEC. A 10% pump suggests that traders are becoming more confident and are willing to take positions in coins with stronger long-term narratives. Another key factor is CEC's core value, privacy. In recent times, there has been growing discussion around financial privacy and of course, we can't ignore whales. Large holders can influence price significantly. If whales are accumulating CEC, they can push the price up steadily. And once retail traders notice the move, they follow in, adding more fuel to the rally. But now comes the important question, what happens next? Because a 10% pump is strong, but it also brings risk. In the short term, there are two main scenarios. The first is continuation. If momentum remains strong and volume stays high, CEC could continue pushing higher. Breaking above $420 and holding that level could open the door for further upside. That's when traders start targeting higher resistance zones. The second scenario is consolidation or pullback. After a strong move, it's very common for the market to take a breather. Early buyers may start taking profits, which creates selling pressure. This doesn't mean the trend is over, it just means the market is stabilizing before its next move. Now let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. CEC at $420 shows that the coin is gaining attention again. It's no longer in a quiet phase. Traders are watching it, volume is increasing, and momentum is building. And that's exactly how larger trends begin. From a medium-term perspective, this move could be the start of a recovery phase if the broader market supports it. If crypto as a whole continues to perform well, CEC could benefit from that environment.